Alright, so conduit is there. Flex conduit, you try to put a wire through, it's gonna be a little difficult, but I didn't show the install. But I'll try to show you guys more of the whole process over time. But anyway, this is ready. You get the blue light, GF CI means it's working. So you always want to see this, green light. So this is legit. Ready to go. You don't need to further test this because this is the thing. You see this thing? That means everything in here is in working order. So before, this is the new thing. Shut it. You can lock it if you want. I'm gonna, I ran out of anchor screws. So I gotta get some more and then I'll anchor up this up to the ceiling. Gotta go back to the store. So dizzy today. I don't know why. Alright. And then the old piece. Where's the old piece? Yeah, I don't know where the old one is. I can't find it. Alright. Did I throw it? Anyway, the old outlet was not covered, exposed, and it was just a regular, oh, it's in the bucket, I think. See, the old outlet, this is fine to have this. It's fine. I think the part that they put in, it might have had a top at one point, you know, it looked like it had some sort of cover, but it ripped off over time, I think, you know. This one was on there, so it's normal, and they put this. This is so old, so maybe when it was this old, it wasn't really a big deal. Codes weren't really requiring stuff like that, but I mean, I understand because of water reasons, but this has always worked for me, no issues. So Leviton makes a great product, man. I think they're make some really good stuff. I've had maybe 1 or 2 outlets in this house that's failed, and these are all like over maybe 30 years old or something, maybe more than that. But just for code reasons, and I'm switching this over, and so that's where we're at. Looks good. So I'll need to go pack up everything and then go get the anchors and then anchor this up.